If you're a travel enthusiast, you need to hear this. The ultimate train journey awaits. Starting in August 2024, Railbookers is launching an 80-day global rail adventure that will blow your mind. Picture this. Iconic routes like Canada's Rocky Mountaineer, Europe's Venice Simplon-Orient-Express, and India's Maharajas Express. This isn't just a journey, it's an experience. You'll explore 12 countries across 4 continents with off-train excursions like safaris in South Africa and visits to cultural landmarks like the Taj Mahal. And all this luxury starts at $119,599 per person. And speaking of luxury, the Venice Simplon-Orient-Express is leveling up. With stunning new suites and fresh itineraries to Venice and Florence, this train is the epitome of Art Deco elegance. Enjoy gourmet dining while traversing Europe's most scenic routes. Ready for the adventure of a lifetime? All aboard!